Yeet. Here's how to build the best window wells, and not those cheap, crappy looking metal ones. First, you're going to want to pack the base, make sure things don't settle down, and tilt the window well away. Start by leveling your first block. We're using treated 4x6s and step them out so it is an escape path and it also looks aesthetically pleasing. Wrap the whole window well with Resisto Shield to protect it from water infiltration. Fill the bottom with washed rock, and that's going to be where the water seeps down into the weeping tile. And that looks a lot better than those cheap, crappy, metal-looking window wells. Let me know what you guys think, and don't forget to like and subscribe.